Want to wake up to your favorite sounds? Here is how to set a custom alarm tone on your iPhone. Make sure you have the sound file downloaded on your device. Open the GarageBand app. If you see a file explorer, tap the plus button in the top right, find audio recorder and tap on it. At the top, tap the playlist icon until it shows a microphone. Tap the blue triangle to make sure it turns white. Tap the loop icon top right. Go to the Files section and browse for your downloaded sound. Tap Recent, long press your sound file and drag it to the timeline. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Select section A, turn off automatic. Set the time to 15 seconds, then tap Done. Tap the arrow top left, select My Songs. If your sound doesn't appear, check the Browse section. Long press the file, tap Share, select Ringtone. Name your ringtone and tap Export. Now here is the best part, using it as your alarm. Head over to the Clock app, create a new alarm, go to Sound and select your custom tone. That's it. Now your alarm will play your custom sound when it rings. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.